Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another GK building video. Today we're building this concrete patio cover for this customer in Manchester, Kentucky. And we started off by just cutting that gutter out, and we put a new cap on each side of the gutter, that way that their gutters are still working. And they did have downspouts on each side of the house, so that worked out good. Then we went ahead and put our header board up on the gutter board of the house there. And that was the starting process. Then we cut the pitch we wanted on each end of our first rafters, outside rafters, and we temporarily got those up there where we wanted them. And that's just how we started it off. That gave us, then we just used a plumb bob down and got our location for a post. And then we set our post directly on the concrete pad. We had to drill and anchor those in. And guys, this thing really does turn out great. I want to do something like this on the back of my house and make like an outdoor kitchen. There's just so many possibilities when you have an outdoor cover like this, things you can do, and it turned out really good, I think. Here we're cutting the post off to the height they need to be. We just ran a chalk line and we cut them off, and then we notched the front of those posts. That way we can set our header boards in them. Pretty sure we used 2x8s on this job for our header boards. And we did double those up, so it's 2x8 screwed together, and then they're not the posts are notched, so they're setting in the post. And then once we got that, we had to figure out our bird's mouth cut, and we started cutting rafters. The fun part's figuring the first one out, but once you get it where you want it, the rest of them, use it as a template, and you can just mark the rest of them off of it. And I think it took about 13 rafters on this job, counting the 2 outside ones, if I'm not mistaken. Before that, you seen me pulling layout, and I made sure to pull layout from the same side on the top and the bottom. And we set these things on 2-foot centers. Here you can see the third one over from the right is a double rafter, and that's because she's going to put a swing out there, so we doubled that one up so it could support the swing. We did put, you see me in the background there, we did put joist hangers on every single rafter. Here we're putting roofing underlayment under the metal, and that keeps the metal from sweating and dripping on you. Start from the bottom, work your way up, and the metal will sweat under it, but as it does, it'll run down that underlayment and make its way out. Here you see we use chocolate brown metal. We got it on, we put our fascia cover on, and we put our corners on, and I hand bent some little water diverters so no water can get in between the gutter and the edge of the new patio cover. And boy, I think it turned out great. Hey guys, so that's a wrap on this build. Hope you enjoyed this. It was just a time lapse, and behind us here you can see we got it finished. The rain will wash the blue chalk and the footprints off, but I think it turned out pretty great. They had a bunch of patio furniture and stuff here, and it was just getting wet in the rain, so what do you do to stop rain? You got to have a roof, so we put them a nice patio cover up. I think it turned out really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't care, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Even if it's just a thumbs up, it helps us in the algorithm, and I appreciate it. God bless each one of you. We'll see you on the next one.